All right, everybody, Dr. Blumenthal back with you here in Natural Transplants here in the Bethesda office, and I am so excited. Anisha's smiling from ear to ear when she walked in. I knew it was a home run. So Anisha was with us about a year ago. She came back for the follow-up, and right away, big old smile, edges. Talk to us. How did it go?
It went phenomenally. I really have no complaints. My outcome exceeded my expectations.
Awesome.
Week 1 is probably the roughest week, but it's not unbearable.
Yeah.
After that, it's easy breezy. Follow the doctor's instructions.
Except when you're looking at it every day.
Oh,
right?
okay. You may have that problem like me.
Water doesn't boil faster when you're staring and looking at it. So try not to look at it every day. It'll drive you crazy.
It's just like weight loss. You know, you can't step on the scale every day. You got to give it some time.
Exactly.
And when I gave it time, it just was great. And each step of the way, it was exciting, from the scabs to them coming off to seeing little new hairs to like actual growth. And then next thing you know, you have a afro on your edges that you wasn't expecting. Like, I'm so excited.
And tell everybody what you did for the first time in a long time.
For the first time in 6 years, I wore a ponytail.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing.
Very good. I'm so excited. Family loves it. Boyfriend loves it.
Boyfriend loves it. Some friends really don't know that I struggled with my edges because I did a really good job of hiding it with my hairstyles. So this reveal is going to be amazing.
Yay. And so what she's not saying is you have actually sort of recorded yourself throughout the year in different bits, and you're gonna put it on your site, your YouTube site as well too. So follow her for her YouTube site.
Yes, and I definitely mentioned Dr. Blumenthal, so y'all have that connect.
How did this change your life? How did it affect you?
Oh, wow. This has changed my life tremendously. Not only from my self-confidence, and a lot of people, again, they didn't know that I dealt with this edge problem, so they didn't know that my self-confidence wavered at any point, but I personally knew. In addition to that, just my overall everyday life. I don't want to get emotional. People didn't know how much this impacted my everyday life. Something as simple as going to an amusement park with my family and my nephews. You know, you think about, you just get dressed and you're going to have fun and ride roller coasters. But for me, I had to take into account, we get on the roller coaster and it's gonna take my picture. My hair's gonna be blowing back. What am I gonna do to cover my edges? So, now it's like, let me wear a headband. Let me figure this out. Let me know if it's gonna work. And I just have no worries no more. My quality of life has really changed. Thank you so much.
Oh, it makes me so happy. It's so touching. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you. Of
now
course.
you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
So I don't want to break up a beautiful moment. What I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you just sort of look at the camera and just look straight down for me. And like I said, we're going to put up the before pictures, so we'll kind of compare. And then I'm going to have you look straight again, and then pick a side, either left or right, and then just hold it for a second or two. We covered the more distance on the right side than on the left, so we had to spread the graphs out just a touch bit more. And then other side. You're perfect. You're great. You're like a model. Look at that. And I tried to find the scar back here. I couldn't even see it in the majority of it. I could try to show it, but I honestly couldn't even find it. So it looks awesome.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Welcome to the family. Obviously, it means a lot to you. I can tell that.
Absolutely.
I'm so honored to be part of the journey. And thank you so much for doing this. Hopefully this helps other people. Big hug. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.